How to fix the lag problem in Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the lag problem in Roblox Mobile. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage from the list. Then scroll down and find Roblox and tap on it. Here, tap on the Offload app to remove the app but keep its data safe. Now, tap on the Offload app again to confirm your choice. After that, tap on Reinstall app to download Roblox again. Once it's installed, open Roblox and see if the lag problem is fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.